Okay. So, despite of everything, sa dami kong gagawin dapat, sige, let's vlog. Kasi I really need to, alam mo, minsan may gumugulo sa utak ko na parang paulit-ulit na then I need to release it. Parang ganun. Okay. Um, I think, no, let's focus about health. I don't want to talk about politics yet, no? So probably that's a separate blog. It's a Friday night, but I'm not going out since I already drank last night. I went to Elf's Club, meeting with my brother. I drank wine, and then I went to the studio. Then I had whiskey. So, over na yun. Hindi man ako uminom na, pero it's a lot. I mean, my liver nasusuka, no? Nagsusuka doon. Anyway, no, so let's talk about health. A lot of people took notice of the yung pag-akit ko ng stairs na 20 floors. Okay? I've been doing that. Well, hindi everyday yon, no. I've been doing that ever since nag-condo living ako. Way back year 2000, 2001, parang ganon. Um I started living in a condo. Um so yon. So I use the fire exit. Make sure yung fire exit nyo, yung hangin malinis. Kasi may mga fire exit na kulob. Luckily, yung dito sa Knightsbridge, it's not. I mean, it's not really, no. Merong fresh air coming in. So, hindi kayong parang no. You know what? Okay. So, why do I do that? Why do I do that? Number one is for my knees. It's also protection for uh, yung the juice, the fluids in the joints. Alam mo ba yung fluid in the joints, they're not produced automatically. Pag yung ano mo, yung knees mo naggaganon, yung binibend mo, yan, ginaganon mo, binibend mo, nag-squat ka, then yon nagpo-produce yun ng fluid. Kung hindi ka naggaganon, nakaupo ka lang maghapon or nakatayo ka lang, then it will not produce any fluid, especially when you're old. Wala pa namang studies wherein pag matanda ka, yung fluids kumukonti yung production, no? Usually, kasi kaya nawawalan ng fluid yung mga matatanda is because they think and they fear if they walk, if they run, if they climb the stairs, it will be bad for their knees. It's the opposite. Okay? It's the opposite of what you're thinking. You can Google it, you can watch podcasts, you can use YouTube, the best way to get fluids in your knees. Okay? So, mali po yung thinking nyo yun. Tapos yung mga matatanda, piniprevent nyo, wini-wheelchair nyo. The more they will die. The more they will die. Okay? So, that's my assumption. It's not really the age gap. It's really, what do you call this? The lesser movement by the older people that is preventing them, that's causing all this diseases. This no, yung fluid, high blood, high sugar, loss of muscles because they don't work out. They don't work out, and then even brain fog because like when you walk, it stimulates the brain. Okay, there is a scientific study about walking. You have to remember during the caveman. Alam mo, if you're gonna think what is healthy, alam mo, do not listen to anybody. Pag-aralan nyo anong ginagawa ng caveman. Kasi yung genes natin, yung genetic code natin, nakapattern pa after those caveman. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yan. Kung ang caveman noon, kumakain lang once a day after hunting, or minsan, once every 3 days, pag walang huli. Pag wala silang ma-harvest. Okay? So, yun yung problema. No? So, they have to walk and they have to be exposed to sunlight because that is what our body was made for, to absorb the vitamin D3, and the D3 is a hormone which converts into a lot of hormones not even known to mankind yet. Okay? Alam nyo ba that D3 is also responsible for the production of cholesterol, uh, estrogen, testosterone, ang dami. Ang dami. You can Google on D3 as hormone. Okay? I cannot speak everything about it or prove it to you. What I'm talking about here is, it's not a myth. It's what I learned, through research. And of course, my promise book, may tutulong na sa akin ngayon. Tinatapos ko lang muna yung structure ng solar company and the real estate platform. So, nag-create na kami ng website, nag-domain, email, and then we're gonna go with the with a business card. So, watch out for that, okay? Medyo bumagal ako lately because I have so much in my plate. Um, Especially if I drink the next day. Buti nga nakatrabaho pa ako konti kanina. I was supposed to have a meeting, a serious meeting, with a solar supplier, but it was canceled. Then, buti nga nakakita ko na hagdan. No? Going back to that hagdan, you have to try, but of course, do not force it. Kung ang kaya nyo lang sa unang day is 1 floor, so be it. Ulitin mo uli, 1 floor. Okay? Hinihingal ka, huminga ka. Okay? Hindi mo kaya 1 floor, you're in the middle, umupo ka, pahinga ka. Then climb again. Okay? Until you get comfortable, then climb another floor. So, 2-story na. Di ba? 2-story kasi then you go out, then you go to the elevator, then go back to your floor. That's what I do. So I climb from 42 to 62, then I take the elevator going down again. But sometimes, there was a time, I use the stairs going down. Kasi iba naman yung pababa. Hindi siya nakakapagod, pero yung 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 utak mo, yung timing ng pagbaba, importante yon. Na-test nyo ba yung sarili nyo? Alam mo yung mga bata, magpunta kayo sa school or sa Japan, sa subway, makita nyo yung mga bata, puta tumatakbo pa baba, hindi nakatingin sa floor. So, doon ako na-amaze. So, parang, how can he do that? The Japanese guy running without even looking at the floor. So, yun talaga ang extreme challenge. So, kasi, pag tumatanda ka, nawawala na yung coordination mo. So, that's the reason why I dance. I do balancing up to now. I raise by one leg. I can do one leg for like 5-10 minutes if I want to. So, palit-palit yan. So, I do it in the gym before I start my workout. I do that in the gym, no? So, yun. What else? Let's focus on anti-aging. Let's not talk about anything else, no? Mahirap, yes. Mahirap talaga. Mahirap. Especially when you're getting old because the body is dictating you to die. And I know that. And yet, wala akong magawa. Talagang tinutulak ako sa kama, hindi, manood ka na dyan ng YouTube, mag-research ka na lang. Anyway, productive naman yon. Pero, lulukohin ka pa ng brain mo. Basta para lang hindi ka makagalaw. Okay? Ang kaaway natin, sarili natin. Trust me. It's not Marcos, it's not Sara, it's not Trump, it's us. Ang kalaban natin, sarili natin. Okay? So you need to protect yourself first. Despite of the chaos, despite of the war, despite of everything that's going on crazy, Hey, crazy man. Di ba yung mga konyo kids? That's crazy. Tawa na naman ako dito. No offense, no offense sa mga konyo dyan. Anyway, so yeah, everything's been crazy, wala tayong magagawa. Ayaw naman yung lumakad sa kalye, so sama-sama tayo sa kalubugan. Matibay na lang. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Anyway, that's another topic. Let's go back to health now. What do I do? Okay. I use the oil. I cannot live without the oil. Especially castor oil, coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. That's what I use for cooking. Sometimes I put it in my face. I use it in the sauna. Castor oil in my pusod, in my face, in my hair, and in my liver. May tinatawag sila, gusto niyo ma-save yung liver niyo, liver compress. Magbabalot kayo ng parang tela, yung tela na binabalot 'pag ano, may sugat kayo or whatever. Then punuin mo ng ano 'yon, ng castor oil. Yung ano, cold pressed castor oil. Or you can put it and use very ano, sa'kin 'to, etong eto. Yan, itong ilaw na yan, okay? So yan, very effective sa'kin yan. I use it for my face, I use it for my hair, I use it for my, back, um, talaga yung mukha ko nagre-rejuvenate talaga. I mean, uh, it makes you young, really. That red light, you know. Nabili ko lang yan, mura lang yan. Anyway, so what about more health? Of course, I take my supplements. I need my bromelain. Now, alam mo ang talagang target ng ang mortal sin na kaaway ko ngayon is my prostate. Mm, of course, yun nga, that's why I bought Clomid because I think my sperm production is getting low. Kaya I need to go to a urologist to test my testosterone level, dihydrotestosterone, and the free testosterone. Tatlo yon. Kaya lang sabi nga nila, masyadong mahal yon. Actually, the test on the estrogen and the hydrotestosterone, sexual hormones is around 15,000, mga ganon. Mahal talaga yon. Pero you need it. You need, especially if you're getting like 45. 45 above, you should have it a year, once a year. Your hormone levels, it has to be perfect. It has to be, ano, if not, marami supplements ngayon, marami ng patches, meron ako dyan gel, which reminds me, I have my testosterone gel na binili ko na sa Mercury Drug, yan. So, yeah. The problem is, once I open it, I cannot, mag-expire na to in 1 month. So I need to really use it all the time. Okay? Then I have to take my NEC. Yan. Ang problema ko lang talaga, of course, alcohol. After ako mag-alcohol, the next day, yung tiyan ko, makita mo, lumulobo. Lumalaki talaga siya. That's really unfortunate. For alcohol. Siyempre, especially with my age, the liver is really quite sensitive now, especially with sugar, with alcohol. Hindi niya na kaya. Hindi niya na kaya. Like ako right now, I need to take a break. Hindi ako pwede uminom every day. I cannot. I will die. If I want to die, I'll drink every day. Yun. The liver can recover, but you need to the liver needs a break. Hindi pwedeng ano yan. Hindi pwedeng, if you can go fasting after drinking, that's the best. Or just drink apple cider water with lemon, or lemon water with cucumber, no? So that's the best. Or okra, yan. Yung okra, medyo lumalakit-lakit. Be careful, like one okra talaga lalakit yung isang pitchel mo. So it's so powerful yung okra, pero ang daming nun, ang daming gamit ng okra, no? It's anti-cancer, it's good for the liver, it's good for the kidneys. You can research on it. So you need to take your vegetables and then your fruits. No? Hindi ako nawawala talaga ng fruits. Kahit mahal yung fruits, I need to buy it. Yan yung mga talagang wala eh. My supplements, mahal din yan. Yung melatonin ko, naging 80 milligrams na ako. From 3 milligrams ngayon, 80 na. Di ba? Well, I was taking my melatonin since I was what? I was, forget the age. I started taking melatonin in 1992. So, ilan na? 30 years? 34 years. Melatonin. So, well, it's good for you. It's really an antioxidant, no? And same time, it makes you relax. It makes you sleep. So, okay, mawala ng melatonin, D3, K2, zinc, B complex, magnesium. Yan, pag matanda ka. Yan, lahat yan kailangan mo talaga. Hindi pwedeng absent yan. Mawala na iba, wag lang yung mga sinabi ko. Of course, vitamin C, Ascorbic acid is fine. You don't need to buy those expensive non non-acidic. That's bullshit. Okay? What makes your stomach acidic is not the acid. Eh bakit gamot yung apple cider vinegar sa anti-acid? Eh acid yon. You know. Anyway, sodium bicarbonate lang po. Pag acidic kayo. Okay? I'm taking it every morning. Medyo nawala sa routine ko, now binabalik ko. Dati sa gabi yun. Ngayon binabalik ko kasi pag umaga, andun lahat yung acid sa stomach. Kasi di ba nagki-cleansing yan, naiiwan yan yung acid. So it's nice to drink, kino-combine ko yung sodium bicarbonate na tablet and ascorbic acid. Yung Rhea lang. So, yun, makakamura kayo, no? So, that's very important. Baking soda is so important. You can put it in your face, you can drink it, pag kinagat kayo ng insect, kate, good for the fungal, cure, yun. Marami siyang gawat. Even in the house for cleaning, EPs, lahat, sanitation, your carpet, name it. It can even grow, yung plants, marami siyang gamit, no? What else with, when you're old, you have to really spend time in anti-aging rituals. Wala ka magagawa. You need to fight aging. I wasn't born this way. I wasn't born genetically with the good genes. Uh, well, hindi pa ako nagpapa-opera, no? Wala naman akong inopera dito or ano. I had Botox, pero bihira yon, bihira, no? Kasi like katulad ngayon, nagsasubside naman, I know. Pero pag talagang gumagano na, yan, pag ganyan. Pero lately, pag nagbo-botox ka, dati talaga, masama yung noo ko talaga. I started having this bad lines since I was what? In college. In college, yeah. Kasi masyado ako mag-ganon, ma-frown ako talaga. So, nawala naman, slowly, through, with Botox help, na wag parate. Kailangan nagbi-break ka, then eventually your muscle will eventually relax by itself. Magiging elastic ba yun? Yung bumabalik. Okay? Ang problema, pag yung skin mo hindi na bumabalik, wala na elasticity. Okay? Dynamic yan. Dynamic wrinkles yan. That's why. Okay, thank you. Akala mo may nakikinig, So, dynamic wrinkles. So, it's also like I want to discuss another thing. Why am I doing this? It's because like tawag dito, sharing has also an effect on the brain. Okay? And tension, anxiety, stress really bad for you. Okay? If you're stressed out or nalulungkot ka the whole day, it's like you're smoking one pack of cigarette. That's the equivalent. Okay? So, huwag kayo ma-stress no matter what. Ang problema, may problema. Darating yan, masosolve din yan. Okay? When you sleep, sleep at night. Huwag kalimutan nyo yung problema. Yung problema, solve nyo. Lista nyo yung solutions. Or like what I always tell you. Number 1, solution number 2, solution number 3, ito gagawin mo. Okay? Hindi lahat tayo hindi nawawala ng problema. Lahat tayo dinadalaw ni problema, ni kamalasan. Okay? At dinadalaw din tayo ng kaswertehan. So, take advantage of that. Okay? So, what else? My hair flow is okay because temo kumapal na yung buhok ko dati pangit yan, because of my lifestyle, exercise, sauna. I do my sauna every day. Yeah, that's one thing. I do my sauna every day. I had my red light therapy every day. I do sit-ups in my bed. I need to go back to meditation. That's another thing. Ang dami ko dapat gawin na hindi ko na nagagawa. I do squats during a shower. Kanina nag-shower ako. I do 5 minutes squatting. Okay? So, may ritual ako sa shower. Doon ako nag-shower sa common area. Para libre. Libre. May heater pa, malaki yung showeran, malaki yung salamin, andun yung sauna. So, doon na lang ako lahat. Hindi na dito. So I don't have to clean my bathroom kasi ano lang yun, additional pa, no? Anyway, I'm gonna close this. The best is take care of yourself. Love yourself. Aanin mo yung pera. Aanin mo yung pera kung pangit ka na. Aanin mo yung pera kung lusyaw-lusyaw ka na. Nakuha mo? Na hindi ka na makalakad. Hindi ka na makatravel. Hindi ka na makaakyat ng stairs. Sumasakit yung mga tuhod mo. Ano mo yun? So, habang hindi pa nangyayari po, please, take care of yourself. Have lab test. Ako every 2 months, I do my lab test. Okay? Visit your specialist. Na, you can go to a regular doctor, pero ako specialist and lab test. That's the best. Then, of course, ultrasound. Pag may nararamdaman kayo hindi tama, then you have to be sensitive with your body. Okay? Pag yung ihi mo humihina, may problema ka. Katulad ko, na minsan, I have prostate enlargement. So, yan ang nilalaban ako. My PSA is going up and down. So, I need to control that. That's my biggest battle in regards to my health, no? And then my liver, my liver, because like problema ko kasi yung lecheng inom na yan. Asarap kasi uminom when you're having a good time. Hindi mo hindi mo mabibili. Hindi mo talaga mabibili yon na I mean, hindi naman ako nagpapakalasing na talagang hindi naman gano'n. Yung parang social drinking na you can still function. Wherein you can still dance. You can turn, So that's the best way to drink. I mean, not drink now. Nagugulo ka na, you're not yourself anymore. Nagbabago na yung anyo mo. So that's really bad. It's really bad socially, for your health, everything. So please, alagaan niyo yung sarili niyo. Enjoyment is fun, but not so much enjoyment. You need to cut clean. Okay? So lalo na ngayon, di ba? Hindi mo alam kung magkaka-World War. Okay. Para ka-World War, paano ka tatakbo kung hindi ka pag nag-World War po, baliwala na po yung pera nyo. Pag nag-World War po, wala na kayo, hoy boy, tulungan mo ako, bigyan kita 50, bigyan kita. Wala na po yon. Kasi sila mismo, tatakbo na sa mga bundok yon. Okay? Everybody's gonna be equal. Panoorin niyo yung the best war, the war film or war survival film for me is Oro Plata Mata and not The Last Emperor, the other one. Yung may Japan. In-invade yung China. Yung kay Steven Spielberg. Empire of the Sun. Yun, Empire of the Sun. Please watch it. Yun yung, di ba mayaman na British family sila? O ano nangyari? They're staying in the Luscious Hotel. Biglang binomba ang Hong Kong. Shanghai, sorry. Binomba yung Shanghai. Ano nang gawa nila? Wala. Everybody was running out. It was chaos. And then nawala yung bata. Nabitawan niya yung bata. So that's a perfect scenario for those, especially who are rich. Yun kayo, pang nagkagera. Yung batang yon. You will be begging for food. Kailan makisama kayo sa mga barumbado. You have to learn it now. Okay? I'm warning you. War can erupt anytime soon. It's not yet over. Until nandiyan dyan si baliw yung presidente na si Trump at andyan si baliw na Putin, andyan si Netanyahu, isa pang baliw, at si China si China matino-tino konti. Hopefully, he doesn't, why would he join the war? Sa kanya lahat ang ekonomiya right now. They are on the verge of being number one. With their cars, with their lahat, technology, name it. You go to Shenzhen ba yun? Shenzhen, yeah. Oh, the future city, napanood ko sa YouTube. I want to go back. The last time I was there was like what? 2004? Modern na noon, pero hindi pa ganoon yung ngayon nakikita ko may non-driver taxi. And then yung lalagay mo lang yung hand mo para mag-buy 7-Eleven. All of those things, So, yun. So, health is wealth, especially in this time of crisis. May kinalaman pa rin sa crisis to. You need to save yourself. You need a clean life. Hindi ka pwede magkasakit sa gera. Ano, pag binomba ospital, ano gagawin mo doon? Patay ka na. Sino magda-dialysis sa'yo? Okay? So, watch Oro Plata Mata kung if you can, alam mo yun ang problema. Kunyari, you wanna watch a film, where will I get it? Wala naman sa Netflix yon, di ba? Wala naman sa HBO, wala naman sa ganito, wala naman sa YouTube. So, saan mo hahanapin? Di ba? May mga certain films that you can find everywhere, but not all films, like what I'm saying. Empire of the Sun. Beautiful film, pero asan? Buti na lang may DVD ako. I have like what? Probably my DVDs are what? Around 2,000. I collected the films that I really love na alam ko hindi ko makukuha kahit saan. Yung ano ba yan? Yung may Midnight. The Other Side of Midnight. Saan mo makuha yan? Yung Sibyl, saan mo makuha yan? Di ba? House of Games, saan mo makuha yan? Di ba? Buti nga yung Dave meron sa YouTube. Favorite ko yon, kay Kevin Costner saka kay Sigourney Weaver. Saka yung well, let's rest in peace. Gene Hackman, no? Kawawa naman si Gene Hackman, no? He died in oh gosh, so sad. Namatay yung asawa, hindi niya alam. Oh my God, that's gonna be a tragic film to make. Kasi may dementia siya. Na-stroke yung asawa. Eh, yung asawa lang kasama niya. So, yung dementia niya, siguro ginigising niya, hindi niya alam kung patay o hindi. Until, pati yung aso, na iwan sa cage, na dehydrate, na malnourished, namatay. And then, siya na rin yung namatay. So, he tried to na mabuhay by himself. Pero with dementia, wala ka nang alamin. Hindi mo alam kung paano magluto. Hindi mo alam paano gumawa. So, eventually, he also died. It's sad. Kay Gene Hackman, no? He's one of my favorite. Anyway, that's it. Umaba na naman, no? About health lang, umabot ako 30 minutos, di ba? Sobrang, alam mo kung content lang, pwede mo ko pasalitain 24 oras, di ako maubos. Okay, bye.